Many men are interested in enhancing their own and their partner's pleasure and satisfaction during sex. However, focusing on sexual performance can lead to anxiety. A set of simple lifestyle changes can help to 1. Reduce anxiety. 2. Improve erectile dysfunction. 3. Enhance relationships with sexual partners. 4. Increase stamina. These changes can make sex more enjoyable and satisfying for everyone involved. It is important to note that worrying about getting and maintaining erections is often a key factor in performance anxiety. 13 ways to improve sexual performance. The following methods can help to reduce erectile dysfunction, increase stamina, and improve the overall quality of sex. 1. Concentrate on foreplay. Some men believe that penetration is the most important, even the defining part of sex. However, many men who experience erectile dysfunction may be heartened to learn that they do not need an erection to please their partners. In fact, erectile dysfunction can even be an incentive to try new strategies that work better for your partner. Foreplay can include touching, kissing, and oral sex. Making foreplay last can improve the sexual experience for everyone involved. For women, foreplay may be especially important. According to a 2017 study, only about 18% of women experience orgasm from intercourse alone. According to the same findings, 36.6% of women said that clitoral stimulation was necessary for orgasm during intercourse. 2. Experiment with the start-stop technique. Men who want to last longer during intercourse can try the start-stop technique. Trusted source. To use this technique, stop sexual activity every time ejaculation feels imminent. Breathe deeply and start again slowly, then stop to delay ejaculation for as long as desirable. This method can train the body to hold off ejaculation and can help a man feel more comfortable with not ejaculating even during intense sexual activity. 3. Experiment with something new. Sexual pleasure thrives in an environment of passion and excitement. If a person has been with one partner for a long time, sex can begin to feel routine, and it may seem increasingly difficult to feel excited, remain focused, or please the partner. It may help to try a new sexual activity or position or to have sex in a different location. Also, talking about sexual fantasies can make sex more exciting. In addition, it can help to do something new with a partner outside of the bedroom, such as 1. Cooking together. 2. Kayaking or hiking to a museum. 3. New band attempting a new sport. This can help people to feel more connected, and the excitement of the new activity can carry into the bedroom. 4. Deal with anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress can make it hard to get or maintain an erection. These feelings can also distract people from sexual intimacy. If a man feels anxious about how he will perform sexually, he may feel less excited about sex and less engaged during it. Strategies for managing anxiety and stress include 1. Focusing more on physical sensations than sexual performance. 2. Exercising. 3. Getting more sleep. 4. Working to improve relationships. 5. Meditating on devoting more time to a favorite hobby. 6. Taking psychiatric medications and going to therapy. 5. Give up smoking. Smoking cigarettes can lead to high blood pressure and other heart-related problems that cause erectile issues. Smoking is also independently linked to erectile dysfunction. A 2015 analysis of 13 studies on smoking and sexual performance found that quitting smoking often improves sexual function and reduces erectile dysfunction. Open communication. Speaking freely can significantly improve your sexual experiences. If issues related to sex have created tension or worry, it is best to bring this up with a partner. Working together on a solution can help a man to feel less isolated and address any concern or guilt. A partner may be able to ease fears about sexual dysfunction, and they may have practical suggestions. 7. Address interpersonal issues. Sexual dysfunction can be triggered by issues outside the bedroom. For example, a man who feels that a partner criticizes them too much may feel anxious during sex, leading to less satisfying experiences. Communication that focuses on feelings, not blame, can help partners address relationship challenges. Some people also benefit from relationship or sex therapy. 8. Increase your physical activity. Pin it to Pinterest. Regular exercise can improve mental health and reduce anxiety. Being physically active can reduce risk factors for heart conditions, improve sexual function, and improve overall health. Conditions such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes can damage nerves and change the amount of blood that flows to the penis. This can make it more difficult to get or maintain erections. In addition, some men find that regular exercise improves their mental health, reducing anxiety and helping them feel better about their bodies. Men can also benefit from exercising the muscles involved in arousal and ejaculation. The following exercise may help. 1. While urinating, stop the flow of urine. 1. Repeat several times and learn to identify the muscles involved. 2. When not urinating, try to contract these muscles for 10 seconds. 2. Relax them for 10 seconds, then contract them for another 10 seconds. 3. Repeat this cycle of contracting and relaxing 10 times each day. 9. Exercise mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of becoming more aware in the present moment. It is a popular form of meditation for beginners and may improve sexual function. Research published in 2017 suggests that mindfulness-based therapies can change negative attitudes about sex, improve sexual relationships, and help people to be more present during sexual activity. Mindfulness and meditation can also help to manage stress unrelated to sexual activity. This can indirectly address sexual dysfunction and improve a man's ability to focus in the moment. 10. Try an herbal remedy. Some herbal remedies may improve sexual satisfaction, especially if erectile dysfunction is a concern. In 2018, researchers published a review of 24 trials involving herbal remedies as treatments for erectile dysfunction. Significant improvements were made while a type of pine called Pinus pinaster and the maca root, or Lepidium mayeni, showed early positive benefits. Other herbs, namely saffron and Tribulus terrestris, did not show clear results. However, results of a small study published in 2017 indicated that Tribulus terrestris may help with erectile dysfunction. Before trying herbal remedies, speak with a doctor. Official organizations do not regulate herbal supplements, and they can have side effects or interact with medications. It is important to see a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about supplements and who can monitor the progress of symptoms. 11. Consider counseling. Erectile dysfunction is often due in part to psychological factors. These can include 1. Anxiety and depression. 2. Relationship problems. 3. Untreated mental health conditions are associated with social stigma, such as aging or penis size. 4. I have a trauma history. Individual counseling can help a man address the role of these and other factors in sexual satisfaction. Relationship counseling can help partners speak openly about sexuality without shame or judgment. When a man has an underlying health issue, for example, counseling can help him cope with the stress of erectile dysfunction while communicating about options with a partner. 12. Talk to a doctor. Share on Pinterest. A doctor may prescribe medication to help with sexual function. Several medications can help with sexual function, including popular drugs like Viagra and Cialis. Medication can be the most rapid treatment option for some men. If a man taking medication for erectile dysfunction also makes lifestyle changes and participates in therapy, he may eventually be able to stop taking the drugs. A handful of medications can affect sexual satisfaction, libido, and the ability to have or maintain erections. Antidepressants, for example, may change the way a man ejaculates and reduce sexual desire. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, may be especially likely to cause sexual dysfunction. A man who takes drugs with sexual side effects should discuss changing the medication, stopping the treatment, or lowering the dosage with a doctor. 13. Manage chronic health problems. Erectile dysfunction can be an early warning sign of health issues. It is important to take good care of the body by eating a balanced diet, remaining physically active, and managing stress. Treating chronic health issues, such as diabetes and heart disease, is also essential. Take medications as recommended and try lifestyle changes that can improve overall health.